Welcome to our module on solid waste. Today we'll dive into the basics of solid waste, its sources, best management practices, how to conduct a solid waste assessment, and explore available resources for waste reduction. Solid waste includes any discarded solid or semi-solid material and is regulated by the Iowa Department of Natural Resources, DNR. It does not include hazardous waste, liquids, or gaseous waste, which are regulated separately. Common sources of solid waste in an industry include raw materials, lost products, processed byproducts, packaging, support materials, food and break room waste, and office waste. Recycling involves converting waste into reusable materials, while source reduction focuses on eliminating waste before it is created. Source reduction is considered more desirable because it prevents waste generation at the source, saving all input investments like materials, labor, and energy. Source reduction reduces waste and maximizes the conversion of inputs into the intended or finished products, increasing potential profits and reducing environmental impact. Let's explore some pollution prevention. P2. Best practices for solid waste. 1. Modify equipment to prevent spills and leaks. Automate systems to reduce errors and waste. 2. Schedule production to minimize changeovers. Streamline recycling processes. Use dry cleaning methods instead of wet cleaning. 3. Use less hazardous materials or recycled materials in products. Recover and reuse materials within the same process. Recycle solvents and optimize packaging to minimize waste. Implement inventory control to avoid expired or deteriorated materials. To conduct a solid waste assessment, follow these steps. Step 1. Identify and characterize all waste streams. Gather information on each stream and calculate tonnage and cost. Identify trends and prioritize waste streams that have the largest impact. Step 2. Collaborate with key stakeholders, including staff and vendors, to brainstorm innovative ideas. Develop and prioritize options based on feasibility and impact. Step 3. Present feasible recommendations, providing management with multiple solutions as applicable. Ensure each recommendation is fully documented and supported by data and details the pros and cons of each option. Various resources are available to help with solid waste. Utilize internal resources like company employees, production staff, and engineering teams. External resources include pollution prevention services, product vendors and customers, the Iowa Waste Exchange, and local solid waste agencies. To recap, we've covered solid waste definitions, sources, best practices, and how to conduct a solid waste assessment. Now let's test your knowledge. 1. What are common sources of solid waste in an industry? A. Raw materials. B. Lost products. C. Processed byproducts. D. All of the above. 2. What is the difference between source reduction and recycling? A. Recycling converts waste into reusable materials. B. Source reduction eliminates waste before it is created. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies in our upcoming videos.